What is up, everyone? Skunk72 coming at you from Southern California. It is now Sunday, October 7th. 7th, I think it's 7th. Nice, it's like 75 degrees right now. Perfect freaking weather for riding. I'm loving this. Unfortunately, I know that means that some of you elsewhere are having to put your bikes away. So for today, I'm going to work. This is like the worst possible day to go to work. It's a perfect weather for a nice, fun, get out of here and go ride all day long. Or there just happens to be like sports overload today. There is football all day, obviously, because it's Sunday. There is my Dodgers in the playoffs tonight against Atlanta, which may be the final game in the sweep. We'll see. And on top of all that, I'm pretty sure the LA Kings play tonight too. So I figured if I have to go to work, I'm taking the bike. At least make it somewhat fun and it doesn't ruin my day totally. This is going to be my first time ever rolling without a mic. All I got is my Dyna setup on there, on the GP10. And I got no mic connected to my helmet cam. So if for some chance my GP10 doesn't work, I'm shit out of luck and I will have no vlog. That's okay. My test that I ran last time I was out and I posted a video, I didn't know how well it was going to work. On the advice of Two Wheeled Obsession, I downgraded the firmware on my GP10 to 1.6.2 and it worked exactly like he said it would. My audio was just phenomenal now. I was so happy with it, and that is the one and only reason that I'm rolling without a wired mic at all today. Unfortunately, if you look around, this is it. There's not going to be any good scenery today. I'll be on the freeway pretty much the entire way to work. And then I will be getting off at 12:30 in the morning. And that'll be my first try with the GoPro Hero 7 Black running at night. So we'll see how that works out. So no promises that there's going to be any night vlog on the way home because I don't know how well it's going to turn out. The other thing, I forgot my clear visor, my clear face shield for my helmet. So I don't think I'll be trying to vlog tonight while I'm on the freeway because I'm going to have visor open and safety glasses on. Oh, which brings me actually to a complaint that I had on my Shoei RFSR, that I like to ride with the visor open sometimes. I love to feel the nice cool air from the nighttime on my face, so I leave my visor open. And when I first bought this, I was having a problem with my visor not staying open. Well, on the Shoei helmets, because they have that spring-loaded action that actually pulls the face shield back into the seal to give you a better airproof seal, it has an adjustment on it. I thought he was coming over on me. All I did was take a screwdriver, I turned that adjustment down one, then I turned it right back to where it was, and now all of a sudden it's been just fine. I haven't tried it at freeway speed yet, but I have been out at like 60 miles an hour on the surface streets, and it's staying open just fine now, so hopefully that fixed the problem and we're done and over with it. I did come prepared for tonight. I brought extra battery for the GoPro Hero 7 because there is some issues with battery life, which I'm sure they'll fix when they do a firmware update. My spare batteries for the GoPro Hero 4, I didn't think about charging them early enough. So there is no spares for that one. So hopefully it'll hold out. I'm sure it will. I'm pretty sure I've rode to my house. Now, I don't know if anybody from GoPro takes a look at the YouTube videos filmed with their cameras, but I got one request to make. One request. Other than, you know, your usual fixes that you're going to do. Please unlock the Bluetooth on the Hero 7. Please. I would love to be able to just connect this directly to my Cena. I don't understand why they don't unlock it. It's absolutely ridiculous that they don't. Other than that, I absolutely love this camera. Oh, and in case any of you were wondering, that check engine light that I had on my last ride, it was exactly what I thought it was. One of the cylinders was running rich for a brief moment, and the Thundermax fixed it, but it still gives you the check engine light because it threw an error code. When I looked it up, it was listed as a historic code, so we're fine. I went ahead and plugged into the Thundermax, did a map update, looked at my error codes and cleared them all, so we're good to go. Alright guys, since there was absolutely nothing to really look at in this area, and I really don't have a lot to say, and the freeway is just freaking boring, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off for right now. I'll pick it up back later, and I'll say my goodbyes or film a little bit tonight. Like I said, there won't be a whole lot because I'll be going face shield open, and the noise will probably be horrible when I do that. So, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Peace.